Do you like wildlife and you want to see the wild animals, you want to interact with wild animals, but you get scared? And like me, I get so much scared with wildlife and wild animals, but I will be having a chance to meet with wildlife and get the interaction directly. How is this possible? Yes, Resort is bringing a wildlife festival which will be held on 30th of April 2023 uh, on Sunday. So make that Sunday as your fun day. You will be having a chance to meet with wildlife animals, including lions, tigers, crocodile, and much more. There will be wild birds as well and different kind of activities. Everything will be free of cost. Only you have to pay the entry fee, that is a pass fee, that is 400 rupees. After paying that fee, you will be having a chance to just get interacted with all wild animals, and you can get the pictures, and rest of the things will be free of cost, including musical night and jumping castle and face paintings and different kind of activities for your children. This will be the most important and interesting opportunity for your children to learn and to grow and to interact directly with wild animals, because they always learn in their books and copies, and they watch these such animals on TV like National Geographic Channel and Discoveries, but they don't have a chance to interact with them. So with security, you will be having a chance to interact with those animals. So I will be there, inshallah ta'ala. So see you soon on 30th of April 2023. All the description will be mentioned in the description, inshallah ta'ala, so that you can just contact with them and just get your seat reserved as soon as possible. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.